Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City. Daily FX market news.
September 8, 11:04 America New York. Euro price action analysis post-ECB. Euro, USD. Euro, JPY. This morning brought a messy ECB meeting to the fray, and despite a seemingly open door for bulls on Euro, price continues to grind longer-term support in Euro, USD.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
September 8, 11 o'clock America New York. BetMGM to open first betting parlor at NFL Stadium. The online gambling operator moves to the Arizona Cardinals' home field as sports betting spreads.
BBC News Business.
September 8, 10:53 America New York. Eurozone interest rates in record rise to fight inflation. The European Central Bank takes strong action as it tries to cool rapid price growth in the Eurozone.
New York Times Business.
September 8, 9:57 America New York. Here are the takeaways from the ECB's big move. The European Central Bank said it expected to continue raising rates and raised its forecast for inflation.
New York Times Business. September 8, 9:36 America New York. Investors sue Treasury Department for blacklisting a crypto platform. Tornado Cash was banned last month to prevent hacking, money laundering and other cryptocurrency crimes.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
September 8, 9 o'clock America New York. ECB raises interest rates by a historic 0.75 point. The European Central Bank raised its key interest rate by 0.75 percentage point, moving aggressively to combat record inflation even as an energy crisis puts Europe on the brink of recession.
Daily FX market news.
September 8, 8:39 America New York. ECB delivers unprecedented 75 bits per second hike to dampen record inflation. ECB raises rates by 75 bits per second amid rampant inflation.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
September 8, 8:24 America New York. Yellen to tout Biden economic policy in visit to Michigan. The Treasury Secretary will argue that the Biden administration's agenda is spurring economic investment and opportunity across a wider distribution of communities in the U.S.
New York Times Business.
September 8, 8:20 America New York. BlackRock takes on red states to defend its reputation over ESG investing. The world's largest money manager fired off a letter to attorneys general in 19 states rebutting claims about its position on climate-minded investing.
Global economy.
September 8, 8:17 America New York. ECB raises rates by 75 basis points. Central Bank increases Eurozone borrowing costs to their highest level since 2011.
Marginal revolution.
September 8, 7:25 America New York. Firearms and lynching. I love this paper by Mike Makowski and Patrick Warren because it pokes so many bears. Makowski and Warren find that greater access to firearms in the black community reduced the rate of lynching in the Jim Crow South.
Daily FX market news. September 8, 7:11 America New York. Crude oil, WTI, update. China lockdowns, global rate hikes weigh on oil. WTI crude oil witnessed a sizable drop yesterday as growth concerns and rate hike expectations add to the bearish trend. EIA inventory build could add to the sell-off.
BBC News Business.
September 8, 7:10 America New York. What the new Liz Truss energy plan means for you. The government will borrow tens of billions of pounds to limit energy bill rises. What does it mean for you?
BBC News Business.
September 8, 6:42 America New York. Energy bills to be capped at £2,500 for typical household. New Prime Minister Liz Truss unveils a multi-billion-pound plan to limit energy bill rises from October.
Digital finance.
September 8, 6:04 America New York. How Ethereum's merge will impact traditional finance. Ethereum's epic infrastructure overhaul will change operations in both crypto and in traditional finance. The post How Ethereum's merge will impact traditional finance appeared first on Digital Finance.
Finance and economics.
September 8, 5:55 America New York. Why the dollar is strong and why that is a problem. Every fresh lurch upwards prompts some big questions.
Global economy.
September 8. 5:49 America, New York. Governments cannot afford to ignore a wealth tax. While budgets are set to bleed from the energy crisis, the taxation of wealth has not kept up with its growth.
Finance and economics.
September 8. 5:42 America, New York. How to get through the winter without wrecking Europe's electricity market. Policymakers have every reason to be nervous.
Finance and economics.
September 8. 5:09 America, New York. Emerging market stocks are struggling in an intangible world. Firms need better protection from copycats.
Global economy.
September 8. 3:27 America, New York. Primark owner ABF warns on profits as strong dollar bites. Weakness of sterling and euro against greenback raises costs for Primark retail chain.
Marginal revolution.
September 7. 2134 America, New York. Mark Skousen on AEA masking. I called the Hilton Riverside, headquarters hotel for the AEA meetings, and asked if they have any mask or vaccine mandates. They said, none. I'll speak at the New Orleans Investment Conference at the same hotel in October, and the organizers aren't mandating masks or vaccines.